All right, y'all. So today, we gonna be doing some fresh twist, full transformation right here. So let's go ahead and lock in for this, man. So my hair is freshly washed. Yeah, I normally wear it curly or whatever. This is probably the most painful part. She's going to be blow drying my hair, just straightening out my hair pretty much. Not like with a flat iron, but just blow drying it. She's gonna be doing that section by section. And big shout out to Yolanda because not only does she give me twist, but she also gives me a cut. So she's also a barber too, which is pretty clutch. I think there are not many braiders out there that also cut your hair at the same time. So if you guys find one, stick with that one. That is a rare find right there. So yeah, pretty much, as you guys can tell too, man, my hair is getting really, really long, which is nice. A little tip for you guys, as you guys can see, I did bleach my hair. And I want to say I probably haven't bleached my hair in like a year and a half. And that is probably the biggest tip that I can give you for hair growth, is that if you do color your hair with bleach, I don't know how any other way you would do it. Well, I guess box dye. But anyways, bleaching your hair stunts the growth so much. Like I don't care about the scientific reason, all that breakage and all the other like bullshit as to why. Just if you're experiencing like slow hair growth, don't bleach your hair constantly. I was getting root touch-ups like every 1 to 2 months. Once I stopped that, the hair just started exploding out of my head. Also too, I'm on minoxidil and dutasteride, to prevent the hair loss and also to promote hair growth. So that probably helps a lot too. But yeah, you can see she's doing this section by section. I'm really not going to talk that much. I don't feel like this whole tutorial kind of needs that a little bit. Yeah, so y'all can see, I just get the taper on the side and the back. Simple. Every barber knows what a taper fade is. Man, I think back in the 2010s or so was when it first came out, getting a fade, a taper fade, and I think everybody wanted that. But nowadays, man, it don't even matter if your barber speak English or not. Just be like, yo, can I get a taper? He'd be like, oh yeah, taper? Yeah, I got you, taper, yeah. So everybody knows what a taper fade is, man. No need to explain it. I mean, you can show somebody a fucking picture. Anyways, I digress. I'm just talking. Yeah, man. So for the most part, it's just a 2-strand twist. I got some photos at the end of this video. If you want to show your braider, a reference photo of what you want, I got you. I'll show those at the end of the video. But pretty much, yeah, man, these are medium twist. I wouldn't necessarily say they're small. They kind of, I would say medium. Yeah. So just section by section. One thing though is a good tip is that if your braider is able to, doing them in triangles instead of squares like that, and it doesn't have to be all triangles, but if they are triangles at the front, and you want to do the whole, I think they call them Edgar Yeager. Y'all know I'm not hip to y'all kids no more, man, and what y'all be on. But I guess it's that Attack on Titan character, this whole TikTok trend going on, that the dreadheads are all trying to do. It's a basic half up, half down, man bun, and then you got the 2 strands in the front. Now y'all know me, bro. Back in the day, I used to have the 2-strand are the two braids in the front. Before it was cool, man. That shit was years ago. I want to say almost 8 years ago or so. My OGs know what I'm talking about, man. I used to rock the man bun with the two braids in the front. And we about to go back to them days, man. We about to bring back the long hair. But honestly, I'm just sitting in for the session, waiting. Could I do this by myself? Sure. Am I going to do it? No. I'm going to the barber and paying to sit down for an hour. And I'm not going to sit there for, I don't know, God knows how long. This is some type of foam. Sit underneath the hair dryer for like 15 minutes, let it all dry. I do not know what kind of, it's just mousse, man. Like, for real, like it's some kind of like mousse or whatever. I'm sure any mousse would do. And then, yeah, man, this right here, this is the finished product. You can wear it down. I prefer to wear it up. I could wear it down, but like, to me, it just looks a lot nicer up. It looks not a lot nicer. It looks a lot cleaner up, as you guys can see. It looks a lot cleaner up. So yeah, I took some pictures for y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Peace. All right, so I do the half up, half down. In my opinion, this looks a lot cleaner and a lot sharper and way more stylish in my opinion. When it's down, that's cool. You can wear it like that, but for me personally, I do like to wear it up with the two strands in front. But to be honest, right now the front two are acting a little wonky, so there's no issue. I just gotta put one of them back there and just have one of them hanging. It still looks cool. But here's some pictures for you guys, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. And the next video I'll be doing a little twist out, so that'll be pretty cool to watch, so stay tuned for that. All right, see y'all next time. Peace.